bibili kami ng TV ngayon. Iniisip kasi namin kung bibili ba kami tas walang trabaho si Alex, diba? Pero mahilig kasi talaga kami manood ng movie, Netflix.
Yeah, so imbes na yung ibabayad sa sinihan, dito na lang sa TV ibabayad.
Saka long term naman to, mga few years naman namin magagamit. Hopefully mabigyan kami ng deal and makakuha ng okay na TV.
Sana, kasi meron kaming kakilala dito, kumbaga ni-refer siya sa amin. Kaya pupunta natin ngayon siya at nagme-message siya sa akin na meron talagang mga deals dito.
Yeah, kaya let's go and sana pwede yung camera sa loob.
Ito yung bibilin namin.
Kaya natin ipapwesto niyan doon sa townhouse.
Pero ito, 98 inches na TV. Ayos, no?
Oo.
Hindi kasya yan sa bahay.
Yeah, okay to pag may mga bonus room na malaki. 2,798. Ikaw nga, 6 feet ka na, tingnan mo naman.
Parang nasa sinihan talaga.
Grabe yung inventory nila dito. Ang dami-daming boxes.
LG? Hi.
How are we doing today?
Ito si Faran, tumutulong sa amin ngayon. Nandito kami sa Visions.
Hello
diba?
po.
So, the best deal na hinahanap talaga niya para sa amin. Kaya kung meron kayo na may tumitingin dyan na TV,
or anything electronics.
Oh, yun, anything electronics daw, di ba?
Yeah, kahit appliances, kami bala.
Kilala talaga siya sa Filipino community at sa mga malamang sa paligid dito na talagang magaling siya talaga makahanap ng mga good deals in terms of electronics. Kaya feel free to reach out to him. Nandito siya sa 32nd Avenue na location sa Calgary.
Yeah.
Salamat po.
Saka sabi ni Kuya Hector, Kuya Manny, na talagang hahanapan niya kami ng good deal. Kaya yun ang ginagawa niya ngayon. Thank you Kuya Faran.
Sige po. Yeah. Maraming salamat. May Xbox built-in.
Okay. Yung built-in na Xbox, yung magkakalit sa Xbox niya.
No, you don't need an Xbox. It's built into the TV.
Pero kailangan mo remote?
No, bibili ka, mag-prepare sa TV. Ang kailangan mo lang ng subscription.
Okay.
Ngayon, if I have a controller, it's connected, nakasave ka ng $400. So that's one option. Wala tayong remote, so it's not gonna connect. Ito yung pinaganda, this year's model versus last year. May art mode ito. Yung art mode, pag wala kang ginagawa, magiging parang
art na siya?
No, magiging parang painting. Now it's an art mode. This one's a cycle lang siya.
Meron ito sa Samsung. This is Samsung.
This is Samsung.
Okay.
It's basically like this pero QLED instead of Neo QLED.
Basta kuya, in case na hindi mag-fashion doon sa space na.
They'll bring you back, I'll give you a refund or we'll reselect. Yeah.
Yung TV yung pinunta, ito naman yung nag-relax ngayon. Kabili na kami. Happy naman kami sa na-pick namin. 85 inches, hindi ako sanay dahil usually 55 doon sa
sinihan nga.
dati and then 65 yung pinaka-ano natin dati, diba? So, 85. We'll see kung okay naman siya.
Sabi, i-deliver sana sa this Friday. At,
or earlier.
Baka daw magbago, kaya we'll see. Pero, ayan. Napasubo na.
Yeah.
Officially. May TV na kami.
Pero excited kasi mahilig naman kami manood. Kaya good na yun. So, ayan. Ayan yung setup ngayon. Hindi, medyo magulo pa.
Nanonood kami ng movie. Kung TV na to, compared do sa TV na tingnan natin do sa Visions, ito yung TV ngayon. So 32-inch ng TV na to.
Okay. Tapos magiging 85.
85-inch. Which is, sa pag-measure, mukhang masasakop ng buong dingding na to.
Yeah. Ayan, magulo pa talaga dyan. Tapos overtime ako ng overtime. Kaya ngayon, relax muna. Chips ni Alex, chips ko. Pero malamang kung mag-stop akong kumain neto, may uubos na naman dahil mahilig sa chips ang isa dyan. Hindi ko lang sasabihin kung sino. So, enjoy muna kami. Tapos bukas, Sunday, work na naman ako.
Sa mga hindi pa nagsasubscribe, subscribe na kayo para at least masabaybayan yung mga progress namin dito sa pag-resettle dito sa Canada at buhay overall. So parating na yung TV na in-order namin sa Visions, kaya tatanggalin ko muna to. So ito yung TV ngayon. Yan. Ready na yung pwesto para doon sa TV natin. So here are the guys, and they're basically going to install the TV right now. So this is how it looks like. If you guys might have noticed, it's slightly bigger. We actually paid extra for installment, and that's what they're doing right now. Very dark.
No, this is gonna go on. It's not gonna go on.
It's not?
No. My finger was right here. Corner's right there.
Yeah, I was dying to off the wall.
I'll get it up.
Angle?
What if you angle it just quite a bit so that...
If you put it against this.
Yeah, like flush it at the wall there, at this end there.
Just flush the against the walls.
That's why.
You should be fine.
Yeah, flush everything there. Remove this there.
Because the TV has to go that way.
Still no go?
It's not gonna go in.
Shift things around.
We're gonna shift things around just to make it fit.
Because right now the TV's not fitting because of this
Slanted,
sort of awkward
yeah.
Area here.
So yeah, we're just gonna. I'm currently working, so we're just probably gonna move my workstation over here so we can switch things up here, if you guys don't mind. Can you close my laptop for now, Lex? Yeah, thank you. Yeah. It's gonna work, right? If we switch it?
Yeah, because that's cleaning the room.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Because we're...
It's right in front of the TV, but don't
Yeah.
touch the TV.
But it's stuck like right now. So let's try to move it all in one piece. Okay.
Just be...
Hopefully this should fit.
Is it gonna fit? I hope so. Oh my gosh. I hope it fits. Please make it fit. Okay, good. Oh my gosh.
You just won't be able to get it here unless you pull the couch out.
Yeah, that's true. But that's okay. I think it's...
I think it, oh no, that's a problem.
Why?
Oh no, that's fine.
Yeah, because we have a
Yeah, it's
plug
okay.
here anyway,
There's another
so...
one there.
Yeah.
Might just fall.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
actually,
good.
this looks good.
A little better.
Yes.
Is it centered?
Just
Yeah, that's fine. Once it's placed, then we can see if it's centered or not. Yeah, I think it's good. You can sit here in the center
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah.
You just have to be careful when you are in this side.
When you stand up, there's gonna be.
Yeah, you don't bump your head. What's that for, Lex?
the good thing is your plug and all your HDMI's are right here.
Oh, nice. Nice and convenient.
Very.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, it's nice. Huh?
Yeah, I just don't know if this should, like, maybe later we'll talk about, like, moving it here probably.
Works. Perfect. We're good.
It works.
So, ayun, katatapos lang namin yung pag-install ng TV. Kaya, hanggang dito na lang muna yung video natin. At manonood muna ako. So, I guess until next time, bye-bye!